I'm alongside the old pier here. Now, I was just told reliably that there was a big fire here in 1897. It's closed off in 2013 due to the state of repair here. It gradually declined down there. And a friend of mine called Terry, who also attends all the royal wedding events and supports various charities, including around here, who's moved here from London, is actually trying to fundraise to save the pier. Apparently there's about 55 left in the country. There were originally about 200, but a lot of them have fallen into disrepair or burnt down, etc., and nobody's bothered to replace them. Good part of our history here. There's a tea shop here, a few hotels, nice view. It's more or less gone down over the years. 20-30 years, gradually got worse.